This is a Google stock price prediction and Google stock technical analysis on hourly and daily timeframes as well as Google stock news. Now we present current trading system signals. We always decisions only that align with the higher timeframe trend. Technical analysis and trading signals on the daily timeframe. Pivot point supertrend system gave the sell signal. Candlestick patterns are bullish. USdc trading patterns are indicating consolidation again. Support and resistance level analysis show consolidation awaiting breakout on either side. Overall, on the daily chart, we decided to stay out of the market given the choppy conditions. Let's wait for a clear signal. Technical analysis and trading signals on 1 hour time frame. On the hourly chart, we got buy signal. Pivot point supertrend system gives sell signal. Candlestick patterns are bullish. USdc trading patterns are indicating correction. Support and resistance level analysis show consolidation. Overall, on the hourly chart, we decided to stay out of the market. Subscribe to get more technical analysis videos. Before we present our second Google stock technical analysis, we will tell you about other price prediction news. 1. Google stock forecast 2022 to 2025, a weak Q3 lowers projections. 2. Alphabet stock price prediction and forecast 2022. Google stock forecast 2022 to 2025, a weak Q3 lowers projections. Technology shares have fallen 36.40% year-to-date amid a widespread market sell-off. Tech-heavy S&P 500 index lost 20.62% in 2022. Alphabet performed a 20-for-1 stock split in July to make its shares more accessible to ordinary investors, rekindle demand, and perhaps compete for a seat in Wall Street's Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. Alphabet published third-quarter results on the 25th of October 2022, with profits falling due to economic headwinds, according to CEO Sundar Pichai. What is Alphabet? On August 215, Larry Page suggested a publicly listed firm to clean up and improve accountability. It became Alphabet. Alphabet inspired the new name. Google became a wholly owned subsidiary of Alphabet on October 2, 2015. When GOOGL and GOOG converted into the same number of shares with the same rights and started trading on NASDAQ. Alphabet has over 160 subsidiaries, including Google. Google pricing history. Google shares rose sharply during the COVID-19 outbreak and worldwide lockdowns that forced many individuals to work remotely. GOOGL rose 28% from $67.42 on January 2 to $86.81 on December 31. The price dropped marginally in the following days but stayed around $140 until the end of the year. As macroeconomic headwinds affected its businesses, the price fell to $114.11 in April. Tech giant announced Q2 2022 financial reports on July 27, 2022. The stock price rose 7.6% the day after earnings, which missed projections but were better than expected. GOOGL reached $122.30 on the 15th of August 2022, a 3-month high. The stock would fall again. Since February 2021, it fell below $100 on September 21, 2022. Google stock projections 22,225. Most experts establish short-term price estimates due to market changes. Algorithm-based services provide longer-term stock projections. As of the 28th of October 2022, algorithm forecaster GOOG Capital predicted that Google shares will close at $102.83 by 2022. The platform predicted $227.01 in 2023 and $385.41 in 2024 for GOOGL shares. Google's 2025 projection was $578.29. AI Pickup, a less negative algorithm-based prediction platform, predicted class share volatility in the next years. Google's 2022 stock estimate was $93.34. In 2023, $119.23, $136.86, and $150.61 were predicted. The service boosted Alphabet stock to $190.76 in 2027 and $192.04 in 2030. Performance does not guarantee future outcomes. Buy Google stock. 30 tip ranks experts recommended buying the stock on October 28, 2022. Market beats 35 analysts gave GOOGL 30 buy, 1 strong buy, and 4 hold ratings. Research is crucial. Trading relies on your risk tolerance, market knowledge, portfolio spread, and comfort with losing money. Never trade more than you can lose. Google stock, up or down? Nobody knows. GOOG Capital and AI Pickup disagreed on whether GOOGL will increase or decline by the 28th of October 2022. Predictions may and have been incorrect. Research before investing. Never trade or invest more than you can afford to lose. You may purchase, sell, or retain the stock based on your finances, risk tolerance, and portfolio. Before investing, check market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion. Never invest money you can't afford to lose, and don't rely on prior results. Alphabet stock price prediction and forecast 2022. What should you know about Alphabet? It owns Google and other Google businesses. Though they left as executives, Larry Page and Sergey Brin still control Alphabet. Alphabet and Google CEO Sundar Pichai is still a controlling shareholder, board member, and employee. Alphabet is worth billions. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta are the big five American businesses. Revenue-wise, Alphabet is the third largest tech corporation. Alphabet, formerly Google, is a large tech business with diverse interests. It sells computer hardware, the internet, cloud computing, software, automation, AI, robotics, biotechnology, autonomous vehicles, healthcare, corporate venture capital, and more. Alphabet's other well-known brands include Google Fiber, DeepMind, Calico, Capital G, GV, Intrinsic, Waymo, Verily, X Development, Wing, and Isomorphic Lab. Google is the most popular. Long-term predictions put Alphabet at $3,000 by 2022 and $3,500 in 2023. Alphabet will reach $4,500 in 2025, $5,800 in 2027, and $6,800 in 2030. We will start with 2022 to predict Alphabet stock prices. We predict Alphabet stock to do well again this year. By year-end, Alphabet stock is expected to reach $2,718 mid-year and $2,735. GOOG may also reach $3,000 particularly by year's end.